Condensed glue gels. You know what? The next one, I'm going to do some foil on this. Oh my gosh, this is going to look gorgeous with number 50 chamfer foil blossoming fall. And I'm going ahead and using is condensed glue gels on the drawer right there. Down, down, down. Really thick density. So you want to need just a little bit. Little go a long way. I love the looks of the tie-dyes. You can use any colors, just like it happened that I have 6 colors in front of me. But you can do 24, 29 colors that Glitz has. Any colors you can create it that looks. Make sure you close your condensed glue gel jars. You don't want to get it like here under LED lights. And then we are going to do with the no wipe top coat right floating on the top. The second step from Glitz Crystal Trifecta. So then within your condensed glue gels and the no wipe top coat, it will grab the base of your crystal and keep it stay in one place. Okay. All right, I am loving this centerpiece. 1 is a Radiance Metal Charms, and 2 is, I believe, is Majestic Centerpiece. So what should we do? Let voting. Or even like one of my favorites is a Chandelier Charm. I am going to do the red one. Centerpiece. Right there. I'm going to show you how to do really simple, easy designs. Sorry. Like a fall. Every year is coming to this seasons. I love this is a pumpkin spice. It just absolutely the bomb. It just really give me a lot of inspiration for its fall designs. Every time I look at this color. So I am placing this beautiful charms, radiant charms here, and you can do it close to the cuticles. You can do it like right in the middle in this beautiful nails. I want to be in middle because I still want to see some little bit tie-dye left. And then you can add yours beads on between, or you can do designs without beads. So the best way to place the beads is to do it right between yours crystals. And I use size SS. Hold on. SS 12, 16, 12. Size 12, I'm sorry. I'm just trying to like keep it some memory at it. It said like 16, but no, 16 can't be that big, tiny little one. Because it's compared to the centerpiece, it's so beautiful. So I'm adding some beads on between the crystals and between the crystal and the centerpiece. Tuck it in. And I usually is finishing it off with the triangle beads. So I love this. The bead is like a really real deal. How's everyone doing today? I'm so excited. Remember to tag us with your beautiful lamb and your e-files. The e-file is so quiet and so easy, and it's lightweight. And of course it's crystal up for you. All right, so I'm gonna finish that one with tiny little crystal. I love this pumpkin. A lot of products. This is 20% off. So if you forget to pick up your one of a big packs, remember when you first with Glitz over 3 years ago, and your pumpkin spice coming in the crystal luxury jars is now. We believe that you need more than just crystal jars, so we give you a whole pack of it. It's a lot for your pack. All right, so I finished with a triangle, but then I go in with more crystal. Can you believe it? I was never gonna finish this nails. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for all of you for the special weekend. All right, so happy. It's so gorgeous. It's covered my pudding.